Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Google Cloud Storage for mobile uploads. To authorize with Google Cloud Storage for mobile uploads, begin by setting up a Google Cloud Platform account. Navigate to the Google Cloud Console. Create a new project by clicking on Select a Project at the top of the page. Click on New Project and enter a name for your project. Once the project is created, enable Google Cloud Storage by searching for Cloud Storage in the navigation menu. Click on Cloud Storage and then enable it for your project. Next, navigate to the I am an admin section in the left sidebar. Select Service Accounts from the submenu. Click on Create Service Account at the top of the page. Enter a service account name and description, then click Create. Now, assign a role to the service account. For mobile uploads, select Storage Object Admin to grant access. Click Continue and then Done to finish creating the service account. Next, locate your new service account in the list and click on the three dots on the right. Select Manage Keys from the drop-down menu. Click on Add Key and choose JSON as the key type. This will download a JSON file containing your service account credentials. Store this file securely, as it contains sensitive information. Now, move over to your mobile app development environment. In your mobile app, include the Google Cloud Storage Library. You can use libraries like the Google Cloud Client Library for the respective platform. Initialize the library using the credentials from the downloaded JSON file. Make sure to set your app's permissions to use the internet for uploads. Next, implement the upload function in your mobile app. Use the Google Cloud Storage Library methods to upload files directly to your cloud storage bucket. Finally, test the upload feature to ensure everything is functioning properly. Check the Google Cloud Console to verify that the uploads appear in your storage bucket. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.